It's funny. I'm walking here in the forest after a really hard class today, and this wound of loneliness is going to be the death of me. Seriously, this wound of feeling like nobody gets it, nobody gets me. The wound of the fear that I'll forever have to walk this earth alone. This is so beautiful, and I always have to walk this world alone. I want to share my experiences. I want to share my life. I want to share my beauty. That I swear that I have. But mostly I feel misunderstood. Mostly I feel lonely. It's so pretty. Can I show you? Look how beautiful everything is. Look how green. I don't know why God is always forcing me to walk this road on my own. Since I was young, I always had this problem where I never found anyone who would share this road with me. And I always have a problem of expressing myself. It's so funny that I do it at least to the camera. And nobody watches that too. Jesus. Oh. I'm so tired. I'm so tired existing on my own, and even when I have friendships, I always feel lonely. I know that there's always a reason. I know there is a lesson, something to learn. But I'm tired of this lesson. I just want to be part. I just want to find people who care. It doesn't make sense that I'm here alone. That I'm the only person here who thinks the way I do, who feels the way I do. It just doesn't make sense. What is that about me that pushes people away? Tree toucher. I dream of a life in the forest. I wish to have a little house where I can live with my cat and my dog. In my head, I dream about having an Irish wolfhound. I don't know what type of cat. I guess I guess I want it to be black, like my shadow. And in my dreams, I see myself walking in my forest, walking my Irish wolfhound, Lupin or Petfoot, I'm still not sure. Every morning to be surrounded by nature. Am I running away? Am I running towards solitude? Is this my comfort zone? Because I swear to God, all I'm trying to do is connect. What a beautiful tree. I wonder how old it is, what type of tree it is. I'm so far away from botanics that can possibly be. Oh, I think it's eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. How the fuck they're supposed to say it? Yeah, I think so. I really do think it's eucalyptus. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's funny, I was just talking about how I wish somebody was here, and there's literally somebody here, and I'm walking away, I'm running away, but it's a man, so that's just my survival instinct. Yeah. At least it's beautiful. At least I have some moments of beauty that I can enjoy right now. Maybe it's not in my card to partake in human interactions. Maybe I'm doomed to be appreciated from afar and not have deep connections with people. I mean, I know it's mean to say because I have my best friend who I love so much. But most of the time I feel lost in the crowd, and at the same time I feel like a sore, like thumb, like I always take too much space. Maybe that's my life. Maybe that's all I experience out of this life. And that should be enough. The joy of the forest. The beauty of nature. The appreciation of what that being appreciated by others, but never connected. Look from afar, but never close enough. Is it too gloomy? It might be.